Hey everyone, welcome back to the Fitness Idea. Today I'm giving you a powerful fat-burning workout that can help you lose up to 10 kilograms in just 10 days. And the best part? No diet and no gym needed. This is a 7-minute full-body routine. You don't need any equipment, just your energy and commitment. Let's get started. Alright, let's dive into the workout details. We'll be doing each exercise for 40 seconds, followed by a 20-second rest. First up, high knees. Then we've got squat jumps. Next, push up to plank. After that, jumping jacks. Moving on to flutter kicks, followed by mountain climbers. And finally, burpees. Let's get ready to burn some fat. Quick tip, stay hydrated and push yourself to complete all rounds. If you're joining the 10-day fat burn challenge, comment below, I'm in, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more powerful fat burning workouts. Let's burn fat together, right here. Every day. See you in the next one.